If you just took out a home insurance policy and you had somebody reach out to schedule a property inspection and are wondering what the heck is a property inspection, we are here today to answer that question. Alan, what's a property inspection and what is usually involved in that process?
Yeah, so the long and short of it, someone from the company side that just wrote your business or maybe currently still writes your business, it wants to come out and they want to look for potential issues that could result in an insurance claim down the road. Goal of this inspection straight up is just to make sure that there's not something easy that could get fixed today, prevent a future loss. So depending on the scenario with your home or business will depend on what the inspector needs. Most cases, they just want to do a quick exterior inspection. They're looking at making sure the paint's good, siding's in good shape, deck rails are there, the decking's in good shape so no one gets hurt on your property. They're looking for trees that might be overhanging the house that could fall in the house. So it's pretty hands-off from that regard. If you have a wood stove, you have some high-value items inside, they may want to come in. Sometimes even in today's world, they'll give you a camera to go take a picture of and bring it back out to them depending on your situation. But the idea is to have it be as inintrusive as possible and give the company a quick look to see if there's some way that they can prevent a future loss. Preventing that future loss keeps everybody's rates down and everybody's safe.
Yeah. And if you've probably been in insurance or had home insurance or business insurance for 20 plus years, you might not have ever gone through a property inspection before. It's something that's not necessarily new to the industry. It's been around, but they were doing it on a much smaller scale. And today, 2023, I think more than ever, we're seeing more property inspections, and not just on business, but on homeowners as well. As Alan mentioned, they'll schedule a time to come out with you and take a look at the house, and they're just looking for simple, basic things that might help prevent a loss down the road. So, Alan, what happens if they find something that is preventable that they might not like or want fixed? What's kind of that process?
Yeah, so they'll reach out either to us or you directly and say, hey, we were just at property, the Smith's property, and we see that their pool gate is missing a latch. We'll reach out to you, or the company will, and we'll give you a chance to fix that. So you may have to resolve that within the next few weeks or months, depending on the severity of it. But it is just an opportunity to help keep your property safer and protect everybody around it.
Yeah. So home and property inspections, they're not something you need to be afraid of. It's not something that they're coming out to catch you or whatnot. They're just trying to make sure everybody's safe, and the process is relatively painless. And so if you happen to write a new insurance policy and somebody pops up that they want to do a property inspection, don't be surprised. It's pretty common currently in the industry.
Yeah, and one last good point. These inspectors should have ID with them. They should schedule that appointment with you. If someone's showing up and they don't have ID, they don't look like they belong, don't let them on and give us a call, and we'll help navigate that water for you. But they should be coming with badges in hand, and you should be well aware of who's visiting your property when that happens.